Okay, my camera stopped working. So what I was talking about is just get centered, sit down, and the first lid you can make, and you can see it's kind of it's just not a bowl, it's just a piece of clay. So we'll kind of call that throwing on a lump. So you keep that clay right there, and then you just, oh, I got a hard piece of my clay. So it's going to be really wobbly, and I don't want to I'll need to redo it this time. Work. Oops. Oh man. I just start over. Okay, so we have our basic bowl made with a ledge or top that you created kind of into a U shape. So in that little dent in that top rim, that's where your lid will fall. So center your clay, just like you do. And then you can throw it on a hump. That means you have some clay underneath, and then you just kind of narrow. See where my thumbs and fingers are? You narrow that out. So, and then the top part of your clay, you make a bowl. So it will look kind of like, you see that right there? So you narrow it. So use your fingers, both hands, and these fingers are kind of supporting that bottom, and the top, your thumbs will create that bowl. And this is easy when your lids are not that wide and big, you can do this. Okay. So with your thumbs, both hands, and both of my elbows are on my knees to keep that sturdy, you just create that little lid. Go a little bit deeper. And then grab your caliper. Good question. Where's my caliper? Oh, right here. And see where you're at. Okay, I'm right there. It's a little bit thick, so I want to just make it a little bit thinner because that shape is not that. So always have to play between two hands. So see if it's still the right size. Perfect. So then what I'll do tomorrow with this lid, I'll take it off right now, leave it, cut it. Oops, right there. I'll cut it, and tomorrow I'll tool this bottom. I'll tool it all off, and I'll show you that tomorrow. So right now I'm just cutting like I would do any other bowl and set it aside. And tomorrow we'll tool. I'll show you how that works.